up and Dr. Becker asked me to talk to you guys and show you some simple stretches that you can do to soothe your sore tailbone pain. The tailbone is a region that's very difficult to address. However, there are some exercises you can do to help with it. The reason is the tailbone has a lot of different muscles, ligaments, and tendons that attach down there. And so you have to find a good balance of balancing out those muscles by stretching them and strengthening them. The tailbone is technically called the coccyx, and it's the area of the spine that's below the lumbar spine, below the sacrum at the very bottom there. And so if you're someone that has pain there, you want to focus on doing some yoga stretches that will help strengthen and stretch that area. So today I'd like to teach you how to do one of my favorite stretches for this. It's called the triangle pose. The triangle pose strengthens the legs. It helps stabilize the lower back and tailbone area. It opens up the hips and it stretches the hamstrings. So it's a really great stretch. For the triangle pose, I'd like you to start in a standing position like so. You're going to have your right foot with the toes facing straight forward. The left foot, the toes will be facing out to the side. The arch of your right foot should be lined up with the heel of your left foot. Legs are going to stay completely straight. We're going to bring the arms up into a T. When you're ready, we're going to hinge the upper body forward towards that left foot. Slowly bring it down, reaching the right hand up to the ceiling. You're going to turn and open that chest, looking up toward that hand, and hold it here for some deep breaths. It's up to you how far you go with this stretch. For some of you, going down to the thigh might be appropriate. If you can, go down to the shin, and if you can, go all the way to the floor. So it's totally up to you how far you go with this one, but just make sure you're keeping that chest open. We're feeling a great stretch in the left hamstrings. We're feeling a nice stretch also in our lower back, tailbone region, opening up the hip here as well. Nice deep breaths for these yoga stretches. And you want to hold for at least 30 seconds, so about 5 to 7 really deep breaths is going to be good for this one. When you're ready and you finish those 5 to 7 deep breaths, you can slowly walk that hand up the thigh, come back up to that standing position, and then you would want to repeat on the other leg for this one as well. So if you're someone who has experienced soreness or pain in the tailbone region, the lower back, or even the hip area, then be sure to call Dr. Becker for a full evaluation to make sure there's nothing more serious going on. He'll give you the best advice and offer you more treatment options and tips on how to address and soothe that tailbone pain. And remember, always work within your own physical limits. With all the stretches, you always want to do them just within a pain-free range of motion, and if they begin to hurt or cause you more pain or symptoms, stop them right away and call Dr. Becker. He's a great chiropractor in the Los Angeles area, and he will help you out.